In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view options in Outlook Office 365. Whether you're looking to simplify your email layout, tweak text size, or organize the message list in a way that suits you best, customizing your view can greatly enhance your productivity and comfort while using Outlook. First, let's begin by logging into your Microsoft Outlook account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Once you're there, you will see the sign-in page. Click on Sign In to proceed. Now go ahead and enter your login details, your email and password. Once you've filled those in, simply click Next and you'll be directed to your Outlook dashboard. At the top left corner of your dashboard, you will notice a series of options. You want to focus your attention on the View tab. Clicking on View will bring up a list of settings specifically designed to allow a variety of customization possibilities tailored to your email experience. Next, select View Settings from the drop-down that appears. Activating this setting automatically takes you to the section where multiple customization options become available. These options allow for adjustments to both mail and its layout, ensuring that you can set things just the way you like them. Once you are inside the View settings, scroll down to find the text size and spacing options. Here, you have the flexibility to modify how your emails are displayed. If you prefer a more compact view, you might want to opt for a smaller text size. Alternatively, if you find larger text easier to read, you can select medium or large. The spacing between messages can also be adjusted to suit your visual preferences, but the customization doesn't stop there. You also have the ability to modify message organization settings. This includes adjusting message height and deciding whether or not you want to include sender images. Additionally, you have control over the layout of your reading pane, which can significantly affect how emails are previewed and managed. Another feature you can adjust is the message list format. Here, Outlook offers various ways to display conversations which can help streamline your email management. With all these options at your disposal, you have the freedom to tailor your Outlook view precisely to meet your needs and ensure a seamless email experience. And that's it, you're all set. By making these adjustments, you can create a personalized and efficient workspace in Outlook. It may take a little time to experiment with these settings, but once you find what works best for you, you'll likely find that navigating through your emails becomes a much more enjoyable task. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of customizing your view options in Outlook. Happy emailing!